Have you ever watched a pot of water, waiting for it to boil? That's the SHIB community right now, anticipating a major announcement in just 48 hours. The buzz began with cryptic messages from Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer, hinting at a reveal that could reshape the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The SHIB army is in overdrive, speculating wildly. Some expect a long-awaited project launch, others a major partnership. Unlike typical meme coin hype, this feels different. The developer's tone is more confident, suggesting a true milestone. For newcomers, this is a perfect example of how news and community sentiment can move markets, sometimes more than the tech itself. A single tweet or blog post can send prices soaring or tumbling, so it's crucial to separate facts from rumors. The team promises something substantial, but in crypto, that could mean anything from new tech to new use cases. Don't just watch the price, look at trading volume and social media sentiment. Is it hype, or is it based on real details? The real story often emerges after the headline fades. This countdown is more than marketing. It's a test of whether the project can deliver on its promises. The next 2 days will be pivotal for Shiba Inu and its global community. Stay tuned as we break down what to watch for and how to read between the lines. The boiling point is almost here. To understand SHIB's potential, we need to zoom out. The entire crypto market is on edge, moving cautiously as it awaits key economic signals from the US. Bitcoin and Ethereum are treading water, reflecting uncertainty over inflation and possible interest rate changes from the Federal Reserve. When the Fed hints at raising rates, investors often shift from crypto to safer assets like bonds, draining momentum from the market. Political uncertainty adds another layer. Regulations are still evolving, and big institutional investors are hesitant to jump in. This creates a choppy, sideways market, making it tough for any coin to break out. So, SHIB's big reveal is happening in a challenging environment, like planning a party with a storm in the forecast. The success of the announcement will depend not just on the news itself, but on whether the broader market is ready to embrace it. If the Fed delivers positive news and regulatory fog lifts, SHIB could surge. But, if macro conditions stay tough, even the best news might struggle to gain traction. This is the dance between a single project and global economic forces. Timing is everything. SHIB's moment could be shaped as much by the world outside as by what's happening within its own ecosystem. Watch both closely. Shiba Inu's price chart has been a roller coaster. Sharp climbs on good news, steep drops on profit-taking or market fear. High trading volume fuels the climbs, as excitement and rumors, like those around the Shibarium update, bring in buyers. Pullbacks happen when early investors cash out, increasing supply and driving prices down until new buyers step in. Technical indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, help traders gauge whether SHIB is overbought or oversold. An RSI above 70 signals a likely pullback. Below 30 suggests a potential bounce. Right now, SHIB is consolidating, trading in a narrow range as anticipation builds for the announcement. Volume is picking up, signaling that traders are positioning for a big move. This quiet phase is critical. It's the base for whatever comes next. The next move, up or down, will hinge on the substance of the news. For traders, it's a waiting game. Watch the indicators, not just the hype. The roller coaster is climbing again. Will it soar or plunge? The answer is coming soon. Stay alert and don't get caught off guard by the next twist. The market's reaction will tell the real story. Buckle up. In crypto, whales are holders with massive amounts of a coin, big enough to move markets with a single transaction. Recently, a dormant wallet moved trillions of SHIB, sparking speculation. Is this whale preparing to sell, or just moving funds for security? Whale moves are like clues in a detective story, but not every big transaction signals a market shift. Influencers amplify these moves, sometimes triggering waves of buying or selling among their followers. But not all influencers are trustworthy. Some push narratives for personal gain. Always follow the data, not just the drama. Sometimes large transfers are just exchanges moving funds internally. Patterns emerge over time, but no single whale move guarantees the future. Whale watching is part art, part science. Use it as one tool among many, not as a crystal ball. Stay skeptical and focus on the bigger picture. Shibarium is Shiba Inu's Layer 2 scaling solution, a new expressway for SHIB transactions, designed to be faster and cheaper than the congested Ethereum mainnet. Lower fees and higher speeds make everyday SHIB use practical, opening the door to real-world applications. The upcoming announcement is expected to center on Shibarium's public launch, plus news about SHIB's blockchain-based game. Shibarium is key for gaming. Millions of in-game transactions need to be fast and nearly free. This could create a vibrant gaming economy powered by SHIB. The Shibarium hashtag has been trending, fueled by the SHIB army's relentless social media push. Community engagement is one of SHIB's biggest strengths, acting as a powerful marketing engine. The combination of a major tech upgrade, a new game, and a passionate community is a potent formula. The reveal will test whether SHIB can deliver on the hype. If successful, it could transform SHIB from meme coin to utility powerhouse. All eyes are on whether the project can bring these pieces together. The stakes couldn't be higher. Crypto doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's deeply tied to global events. Central bank policies, especially from the US Federal Reserve, can send shockwaves through the market. When the Fed raises rates, investors often flee risky assets like crypto for safer options. Political events, like US elections, also matter. Crypto-friendly policies can boost the market, while stricter regulations can spook investors. This uncertainty keeps big institutions cautious. Even international conflicts can impact crypto, as investors seek safe havens. Some now see Bitcoin as digital gold, a hedge against instability. Crypto's role in the global financial system is evolving fast. For investors, understanding these external forces is as important as knowing the tech. Don't just watch the charts, watch the world. The next big move could be triggered by a headline far outside crypto. Stay informed and stay nimble. As SHIB's 48-hour countdown ticks down, excitement and FOMO are everywhere. Don't get swept up. Your best tool is knowledge, not hype. Focus on the substance of the announcement, not just the price reaction. For beginners, watch how the market responds. Is it a quick spike and drop, or sustained growth? For experienced traders, dig into the details. How will Shibarium change transaction speeds, costs, and partnerships? Rely on credible sources, not rumors or paid promotions. At Crypto Insider, we cut through the noise with facts and clear analysis. Whether you're new or seasoned, trustworthy information is your most valuable asset. Make decisions based on reason, not emotion. The next 2 days could redefine SHIB's future. Remember, crypto is part of a bigger economic system. Learn to spot long-term value, not just short-term hype. With the right knowledge, you can navigate the crypto world with confidence.